Hello hustlers, and welcome to another episode of the IVA Hustle channel. Where we provide education for freelancers and independent contractors. IVA Hustle can help you with things from startup to expansion and beyond. If this is the kind of information you find helpful, please hit the like button to let us know and help us out so we can continue to produce this kind of content to help hustlers like you. We also invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. And definitely share it on your social media to help get the messages out to others seeking the information we provide. Remember IVA Hustle, and you should too. In this episode we'll discuss the 6 steps to easily go full-time freelance. Freelancing as a full-time career might be intimidating. Your fate is in your hands when you take that leap, whether you succeed or fail. However, there are steps you can take to lessen the impact of the change while still ensuring a seamless and risk-free launch. Step 1. Begin freelancing as a side job. Starting out as a part-time freelancer is the safest method to get your freelancing career off to a good start. Keep your day job and start working on your profession at night and on the weekends. There will come a point in time when your customer list and income are sufficient for you to retire. Additionally, this technique will help you gain experience and expertise over time. You can become an expert in your field if you put in the time and effort. A full-time freelancer will have it nailed by then. Step 2. Set aside a fund for rainy days. In addition, you can mitigate the risk by setting away some money in advance. If you decide to leave your normal job and embark on a career as a freelancer, this money will serve as a safety net for the first few months. Put aside 3 months' worth of expenses from your day job before you begin. This will help you stay on track. This will cover you till you start working and generating money. Your schedule is free and clear. Step 3. Avoid debt at all costs. Keep your startup expenditures minimal and avoid getting into debt as a strategy to mitigate the dangers of launching a freelancing job. Choose a low-cost hosting package for your freelancing website and then upgrade as your business expands. Gaining a steady stream of customers is the first step toward increasing your capital investment in your company. Step 4. Create a network. You should begin developing your professional network even before you begin working as a freelancer full-time. Networking and recommendations are the greatest way to get work, not job sites or even your own website. Aside from that, there are several people that can assist you in a variety of methods. Even if your site hasn't launched yet and you're still doing your day job, make an effort to network and tell people about the freelancing services you provide. Step 5. Use your existing job as a springboard to freelancing. Start by working as a freelancer or consultant for your current job to get your feet wet. Look for ways to keep working for your existing employer, but on a more flexible schedule. Step 6. Preparation is key. Set a timetable for making a full-time living as a freelancer, no matter what method you use to get started. Decide on a date when you'll formally transition from an employee to a freelancer. This keeps you on track and prevents it from becoming merely a fantasy. In addition, it aids in the preparation of the details. Well, that's it for this episode. Do you want to learn more about how you can start your freelance business the right way? Head to the IVA Hustle website and grab yourself the IVA Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit. The IVA Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit will teach you how to gain the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss and create a life you'll love. Done. You can also grab a copy of the IVA Hustle Big Book of Freelancing from Amazon. It's full of startup ideas including instructions to start freelancing quickly using the skills you already have. You'll find the 27 top side gigs for today's markets inside, along with step-by-step instructions for getting up and running fast with your business. For more information about IVA Hustle, visit us at ivahustle.com or click the link in the description below. Again, If you've found the information helpful, please hit the like button. It lets us know what kind of content to produce to help hustlers like you. While you're doing that, please share this video to help others learn more about being an expert freelancer. This way you'll be able to show yourself as someone who knows how to find the facts and substantiate their expertise. We invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Please visit the IVA Hustle Patreon page for longer, more informative videos, merch, and reports. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time, hustlers.